English listening in conversation practice. Very important question answers related to my daily routine. Listen this conversation carefully.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Usually wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by brushing my teeth.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a run in the morning.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have oatmeal and a cup of coffee.
How do you get to work/school?
I take the bus to work/school.
What's your favorite mode of transportation?
School. I love riding my bike to work.
What's your typical work/school schedule?
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Do you have any lunchtime habits?
I usually have a salad for lunch.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
What's your favorite part of your job?
I enjoy helping students learn.
How do you unwind after work/school?
I watch TV or read a book. Yes,
Do you have any evening routines?
I cook dinner and do some yoga.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pizza.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yes, I cook dinner most nights.
How do you stay organized?
I use a to-do list and a calendar.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting in my free time.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's your bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth and read a book.
How many hours of sleep do you get?
I aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like going hiking or visiting friends.
Do you travel often?
I travel a few times a year.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I'd love to visit Bali one day.
How do you stay in touch with family?
We have weekly video calls.
What's your favorite book or movie?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
How do you handle stress?
Meditate and practice deep breathing.
Do you have any long-term goals?
Yes, I want to buy a house in the next 5 years.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the cool weather.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small party with friends.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Do you volunteer or engage in community activities?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter.
How do you keep your home clean and organized?
I clean and declutter regularly.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to classical music.
Do you follow a specific diet?
I'm vegetarian, so I avoid meat.
How do you stay updated with the news?
I read the newspaper and watch the news on TV.
What's your preferred social media platform?
I use Instagram to connect with friends.
How often do you see your close friends?
I try to meet them at least once a week.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching basketball games.
How do you handle conflicts or disagreements?
I try to have an open and honest conversation.
Do you have any favorite quotes?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs.
How do you stay motivated and productive?
I set clear goals and prioritize tasks.
What's your favorite type of art?
I love impressionist paintings.
Do you have any favorite apps on your phone?
I use Spotify and Duolingo regularly.
How do you stay connected with nature?
I go for walks in the park on weekends.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I can never say no to chocolate cake.
How do you stay hydrated throughout the day?
I carry a water bottle with me.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy taking long baths with candles.
How do you handle personal setbacks?
I seek support from friends and family.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I loved going on family camping trips.
Do you have any favorite inspirational figures?
I admire Nelson Mandela for his resilience.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye, Brian.
That's all for today. If you like this video and find it useful, then give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon so you don't miss any new English lessons. If you want more such English conversational lessons, let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon, so till then keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye bye.